Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone 15 running iOS 17 or later. Scroll down until you see Dynamic Island and tap it to open detailed controls. Tap the main toggle to enable Dynamic Island for system and app interactions. You will see preview animations in the Settings panel that demonstrate how alerts look. Keep your iPhone unlocked while you test so animations play fully. Choose Compact, Expanded, or Automatic size modes for island behavior to fit your usage. Adjust animation speed and visual density to reduce distraction during calls or navigation. Set sensitivity to low, medium, or high for touch interactions to match your finger pressure. Use the apps list to select which apps can show notifications in Dynamic Island and which cannot. Test changes by opening Music and Maps to confirm live activity previews appear as expected. If Dynamic Island behaves oddly, restart your iPhone 15 to refresh services and system animations. Use focus modes to control which apps can trigger Dynamic Island during work or sleep periods. Enable Reduce Motion and Accessibility to limit animation intensity if you prefer calmer visuals. Reset Dynamic Island settings to default to resolve persistent issues quickly without erasing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.